I got a bunch of flips I want to do this year, remodels. Look at this. I need a contractor that can finish something like this for me, okay? Everything's been studded out. Oh, don't fall in. That's the basement. But obviously there still needs to be a stairwell that goes in there. Let's take a look around. This is cool. I love seeing a house like this. You know, a lot of times we walk into finished houses, but you don't realize all the behind the walls, right? Like when this house gets finished, they're never gonna know that there's wood that looks like this, and then they have new, right? Studs everywhere. It's like crazy to see this kind of stuff. The shells on the outside are the original house. Obviously, these windows have been updated. But everything on the inside is pretty much brand new. If you're looking to do a project or a few projects with me, look at this ceiling. That's going to be a ceiling height. Then you know who to call. Reach out and let's do some business together. But I think that a lot of renovations are going to be starting to come back. You're going to see a lot of new properties coming on the market where they just have a lot of opportunities to fix and flip. When the interest rates are higher and the inventory is low, you can still sell these houses for a good price. But just remember what I always say. Everyone likes a nicely finished house.